Friends, this guy Glenn wanted a help on this topic through Facebook. I have replied him. Even though some people have replied, I don't think he got a right solution till now because there is no feedback from him. So I thought I can give a feedback to him. So he has written, "Hi all, I am working on an Excel document that calculates race scores for various applications. I have built a reference sheet that includes the scoring definitions, weights, and criteria for different risk categories, example high, medium, low, high risk, confidential, public, etc. The main worksheet uses drop down menus from user inputs across several risk areas like system criticality, data sensitivity, access level, security, immaturity, incident history, AI functionality, risk like this. So the idea is once a user selects the category level, so that is the risk level, high risk or medium risk, Excel uses VLOOKUP to match the input with the reference data to calculate. So here he says that he is using the VLOOKUP function to bring the answer when the user is giving the input through the drop down list, right? So the drop down list is having the lookup value. That lookup value, when the user is selecting that, then the VLOOKUP function finds the exact match in this answer sheet whatever he got. So it is calculating a criteria score, a weighted score, and a final risk score. These are the three data brought through VLOOKUP function. So the problem he is facing is he is getting a error NA. So what I told him is, so people have given the reply, right? And he says further he has used a trim also to check the ranges and verify the spellings, but something is just not connecting properly. So he has already tried this. So in my opinion, he is having this where the lookup value is coming from. From there, the user is getting the drop down to select the data. Okay, in that unique data of lookup value, there may be problem. So first he has to compare that unique data of lookup value where it is coming from, where he has applied the data validation to bring the drop down list, and then he has to match it with the data where the table array is having the first column where the lookup values are available. So someone has given the solution here, XLOOKUP can be used. Even if you use XLOOKUP, the same error will come again. So let me check the comments. So this person has given XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP also will be giving the same error if the data is not matching. So another person also given the same thing. So I wanted to give the message that XLOOKUP also will give the same message if Glenn wants the exact match. So some people have suggested he or she wanted to help Glenn through Zoom call or any other way, right? So now I have written the same thing what I told. Glenn, if you want exact match of lookup value from the table array, then this error not available will be found as an output, which means lookup value is not available in the table array's first column. Okay, now he has to validate the source array where from the lookup value is brought through the user through the data validation drop down list. Now he has to compare the table array of first column data and the source array of lookup value. Once 100% of the value from table array first column data is matching with the unique data from the source array lookup value, then this problem will be eliminated. So this will certainly resolve the issue I told him. So if he wants that problem to be discussed in detail, perhaps he can just connect me through either Zoom Meet or Google Meet. So I given my email ID also. So this is how I also provide support, high quality support I just provided. And this is Eric. Eric is the person who is the moderator for this. He has also given his way. Okay, he says that Power Query also can be used to resolve this problem. So Power Query is another very big topic. For that, people, if they are able to understand it, they can just ping me. I will be able to support them with this. So what Eric has given is that lookup value is Apple, but the value entered by the user is Apple space. Then this problem comes. So that means this Apple APPLE only is having 5 letters. Here APPLE and space is there. So these are the two data, different data. They are not matching. So Apple, if it is coming from the drop down list, but user has entered this Apple space. So here itself a catch that this Apple is supposed to be selected by the user. The 5 character word should be selected using from the lookup value array through the drop down list. So if they are selecting through the drop down list, then definitely the table array will be matching with that. But here there is a disconnect. Okay, this is a problem also, we have to understand it. So thank you, take care, bye.